IPL Teams Analysis KKR Episode 6.
So hi guys, welcome back to episode 6 of IPL Teams Analysis 2020. In this video, let us discuss about Kolkata Knight Riders KKR. So in the episode 1, I have discussed about Mumbai Indians, episode 2 about Chennai Super Kings, episode 3 about Royal Challengers Bangalore, episode 4 about Sunrisers Hyderabad, episode 5 about Delhi Capitals, and now finally I'm doing on KKR, Kolkata Knight Riders. So firstly, let me discuss about the ideal playing 11. Before that, let us discuss about the 4 overseas players who are gonna play in that ideal playing 11. So according to me, those 4 overseas players will be: first is Sunil Narine, Eoin Morgan, the England captain, at number 3, and Russell, and at number 4 we have Pat Cummins. So these are the 4 overseas players which I'm gonna pick in the KKR ideal playing 11 of 2020. Okay, so first let us discuss about the IPL ideal playing level of KKR of this year 2020. So firstly, the openers will be Sunil Narine at number 1, and at number 2 we have Shubman Gill. I want to give chance to Shubman Gill as an opener. And at number 3 we have Eoin Morgan. At number 4 we have Nitish Rana. At number 5 we have Dinesh Karthik. At number 6 we have Andre Russell, the dangerous man. At number 7 we have Pat Cummins. At number 8 we have Kuldeep Yadav. At number 9 we have Varun Chakravarti. At number 10 we have Shivam Mavi. At number 11 we have Prashid Krishna. So this is the team, guys. You can watch it. So now let us discuss about the strengths and weaknesses. Before that, you just watch the playing 11 carefully, how balanced it is. This year KKR is really balanced according to me. You know, KKR this time has bought many overseas players, and all the overseas players are really good, thanks to Brendan McCullum as well this time to take part in auction. And if you see Pat Cummins, Lockie Ferguson, these 2 critical bowlers, these 2 dangerous bowlers are there in their overseas bowlers. So I think it's a really good thing. And moreover, they have Tom Banton also as a backup option. And then, you know, they have many other players like Nagar Koti and Prithvi Raj. So many other Indian good players are also there in the team. So the balance is clearly seen in the team. So first let us discuss about the strengths and weaknesses of Kolkata Knight Riders in the IPL 2020. So firstly, coming to the first strength. Well, the first strength is their Russell, of course. Yeah, you heard it right, Andre Russell. We cannot consider Andre Russell as a player. We have to consider Andre Russell as a strength for an IPL team, because no other IPL team actually has that kind of strength in their teams. No other team has a player like Russell in their team. And you know, if Russell plays, the match is theirs, KKR. So I am not going to consider Russell as a player. I am going to consider Russell as a strength for KKR. So first strength is Andre Russell. And coming to the second strength, it is their overseas players. If you see their overseas players, they are really good. So firstly, these 4 are there, Sunil Narine, Andre Russell, Pat Cummins, Eoin Morgan, and more other players also are really good. Suppose you have Lockie Ferguson, you have Tom Banton, who can change the match whenever, you know, so these 2 are really good backups for you. And moreover, you have an all-rounder like James Neesham you have in the team. So the the overseas players are really good. According to me, this is also a strength for KKR this time. And coming to the third strength, which is their spin departments, is of course the spin department is dependent on Kuldeep Yadav, but still this time it's not so weak. Kuldeep Yadav is there, Varun Chakravarti is there, and moreover the dangerous Sunil Narine is there. So the spin combination is all set. As I already said you, in UAE pitches the spinners are going to be crucial. So the spin department is also really good. So it's a really good thing for KKR. And coming to the weaknesses, the first weakness will be the dependence on Russell. As I said, Russell is a strength for the KKR team, but coming to the weaknesses, the whole batting order sometimes depends only on Russell. Not sometimes, I think many times, I think full time, every time, you know, the KKR batting lineup completely depends upon Andre Russell. And you know, we've seen it in 2019 and few matches in 2018 as well. Oh sorry, not in 2018, but then in 2019 we've seen it really clearly. We've seen how the KKR batting lineup completely depended on Russell. When we thought, okay, KKR is gonna lose this match for 100% sure, and those moments Russell came forward and hit those massive sixes, and of course Russell is a strength for the team, but again the whole team is dependent on Russell, so we can consider that a weakness also. And coming to the second weakness, which is the captaincy role, Dinesh Karthik. Of course, Dinesh Karthik is an amazing player. He can finish off in style, and as well he is a very good wicket keeper also, no issues about that. But when it comes on captaincy is really important for an IPL franchise, or for any team, for any cricket team, or any sport. If you see, captain is must be good. For that I think KKR is lagging in captaincy issue. Dinesh Karthik is not performing in such a way in which a captain has to we've seen it in 2018 and 19 as well. Dinesh Karthik's captaincy was not good. The steps he had taken were not good. So coming to Dinesh Karthik's captaincy, it's not at all good for me, according to me. I don't know, it's your personal opinion, but when Gautam Gambhir used to be there, it used to be very good. In Gautam Gambhir's captaincy only, KKR won their 2 IPL trophies. So I don't know when will the third one come, but I think according to me, Dinesh Karthik's captaincy is not so good. Coming to the last and final weakness, which is the fast bowling lineup depends upon Pat Cummins. It may be Pat Cummins or Lockie Ferguson. The fast bowling will depend upon these two. I think according to me, they wouldn't give chance to both Pat Cummins and Lockie Ferguson at a time in a team. They would take only one, most probably. Only one will be playing in this two, because if these two players play at a time in the team, then only 2 more players can be taken, and one will be Russell for sure, and the other one will be 3 options will be there: Tom Banton, Eoin Morgan, and Sunil Narine. So it will be a very big problem. So according to me, they will not pick up both these 2 players in the team. If they pick both these players in the team, then their fast bowling lineup will be awesome. But only one will be taken, and then the whole fast bowling lineup completely depends upon that one player. According to me, they depend upon Pat Cummins or else Lockie Ferguson. So the fast bowling is somewhat weak, but again the spinners are good. So these are the strengths and weaknesses of Kolkata Knight Riders KKR in IPL 2020, and I have discussed about the ideal playing 11 also. So in the next episode I will be discussing about Kings 11 Punjab. So don't miss my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon as well, and like, share, comment and subscribe. Let us meet soon. Thank you so much.